I'll just give you an overview of something called Facebook Pixel. This is an advanced concept. So even if you don't get it, it's fine because we are just creating a lead ad. In these 7 days, we are going to create a lead ad. For that, you don't require a pixel. But it is important to understand the concept of pixel. Sometimes people get confused. Okay. Let's say if you're running a conversion ad, that means you want, why should we use conversion ad? When you want sales, when you want leads directly, that means people should go to your website first, read more about you on your page, then sign up. That is one. Uh, Two types of ads are there basically if you want to generate leads. One is lead ads. How lead ad works? People see your ad on Facebook. When they click on your ad, a form comes there only. You don't have to. People don't have to go to another website. A form will pop up there only. That is called lead ad. But another way is there. When somebody clicks on the ad, they will go to another website and there they will see the details and the form. So that is done using conversion ad. You can note it down. Okay. So in the second type of ad where one website is involved, then only we use pixel. What is pixel? Pixel is nothing but it is a small piece of code. It is a small piece of code where Facebook will, which Facebook is giving us, and we have to place that on our website. Okay. If you place that code on your website, Facebook will now get the entire data of your website. Entire data, like what kind of data? Like which people are clicking your ad, and which once people click on your ad, what pages they are visiting, how much time they are spending on your page, then did they buy anything or not, did they fill any form or not. So all this data will move to and from Facebook to your website to Facebook. Now what will Facebook do with this data? Facebook will optimize your ad more and more and more. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing is, if you want to create custom audience, remember we discussed that if you have to create custom audience of visitors, so then let's say discuss that people who visited your website, how can you do that if you don't have a pixel? So pixel is mandatory if you have a web page. If you don't have a web page, you don't need to worry about pixel and all, right? So for example, for ads like brand awareness ad, lead ads, engagement ads, messaging ads, you don't need pixel. But whenever you have a website and somebody is clicking on your ad and then going to your website, then pixel is required, right? The aim is to, main concept is to retarget people and provide more good data to Facebook so that they can optimize more and more. For example, again take an example, your ad was shown to 1 lakh people. Out of those 1 lakh people, 10,000 clicked on your website, 10,000 clicked on the ad and visited your website. But out of this, those 10,000 people, maybe you will get just 500, 600 or 1,000 leads, let's say. So now Facebook needs to know, okay, uh, these are the kind of people where, these are the kind of people who converted, who signed up as a lead. Okay. Now Facebook will optimize more and more and more.